We've got a spring cleaning checklist for sellers. This is from Keeping Current Matters, their March 22nd edition. It says if you want to put your home on the market, if you want to get your home ready to put on the market, you need to make it inviting, show it's cared for, and boost curb appeal. So if you want to make it inviting, here are 5 easy things to do. Number 1, open blinds or curtains and let the light in. You want as much light in that house while people are looking at it as possible. Check light bulbs and replace as needed. Make sure that the type of light throughout the house is consistent. Don't have a cool light then a warm light. And in many cases, it's kind of that medium between the cool and the warm that is the most effective, that makes it feel most inviting. Take down personal photos or items, and people say, well, I don't want to have to depersonalize my house. Well, the reality is it's not about you depersonalizing it. It's about you not distracting the buyer as they walk through the home. So you have a wall that has pictures of your family and has grandparents and grandkids and old pictures and new pictures, and sometimes the home buyers might stop and pause and look at your pictures and start considering your family and how you use the home, and really what you want them considering is how their family will use your home. You need to fix anything that's broken, and you need to give every room a clear purpose, meaning when somebody walks through a home, they can tell this is the music room, this is the family room, this is the dining room, and this is where we eat, this is the kitchen, this is the kids' room, this is the parents' room, this is the study, the office, the rec room, whatever it is. 5 easy things to do to show a home is cared for, and again, this is from Keeping Current Matters, March 2022 edition. Clean your vents and your baseboards. It is so true. Sometimes you walk through the house and you have all these air return vents that are dirty, and that certainly doesn't make you think that the rest of the house is clean. Vacuum, mop, and sweep floors. Declutter the house throughout. You know, when it comes to kitchen countertops, you might only want 3 or 4 things on the kitchen countertops, period, no matter how many you have. Organize those countertops, the cabinets, and the closets, and then touch up any scuffs on the wall. Sometimes just a good Mr. Clean sponge lightly wiping on those walls can make them look new. Be careful if you've got some shine on the wall. Sometimes those Mr. Clean sponges will wipe that shine off. And then to boost curb appeal, here's 5 things you should consider doing. Power wash outdoor surfaces, driveways, walkways, patios, entry steps, exterior of homes. Sometimes people have siding and it's just a little green, and pressure washing does wonders. Clean the windows inside and out, man. When you walk into a house and the windows are clean, it's just like the angels are singing down upon that home. Tidy up the landscaping, make it look not, by the way, too difficult to maintain, but make it look very appealing. Freshen up your entry with some flowers or paint, or make sure you have good lights. And then sweep patios, decks, and walkways regularly while the home is listed after everything is pressure washed.